The maintenance application within Operations Center and Property Center allows you to easily organize, schedule, and track equipment maintenance for your entire fleet. By applying maintenance plans and monitoring maintenance task completion, you can help keep your equipment operating reliably, safely, and efficiently, while also extending its operational lifespan. In this video, we will cover how to access maintenance, an overview of the maintenance application, how to mark existing maintenance intervals and tasks as completed, and custom and factory maintenance plans. This is the first part of our two-part guide of the maintenance tool. Part 2, linked in the description, will go over how to apply a maintenance plan and set up maintenance notifications. Maintenance can be accessed a variety of different ways from within Operations Center and Property Center. Once logged into either, you can access maintenance from your personalized menu in the header bar, from the Plan drop-down menu in the header bar, from your equipment list on the map, or from the Machine Details panel within the Equipment application. Once you have accessed maintenance, the Summary landing page will provide you with an overview of your organization's maintenance plan application status and maintenance plan interval status. Here you will see a section meant to draw your attention to any equipment with maintenance intervals that are past due, a section meant to draw your attention to any equipment with maintenance intervals that are due soon, a list of any equipment within the organization that does not currently have a maintenance plan applied, and a visual representation of the volume of existing equipment with maintenance intervals that are either due soon or are past due. The All Machines tab within Maintenance will provide you with a table view containing the current maintenance plan and interval status of all the equipment within your organization. From here, you can use the search bar to locate specific equipment by name or serial number. You can use available filters to narrow your equipment list down to only those machines that meet your specific criteria, or you can export your equipment maintenance data. Within the All Machines view, selecting any piece of equipment that does have a current maintenance plan applied will open a new window, which will list all of the upcoming and past service intervals for that specific piece of equipment. An expandable Details panel containing editable maintenance interval details, actionable maintenance tasks, and options to add custom notes, photos, or documents to your maintenance history will open automatically when any maintenance interval line item is selected from within the upcoming or past service tabs. To mark any specific maintenance interval as completed, you must mark every maintenance task that is included in that specific interval as either completed or ignored. A Mark All as Complete option is available within the task details for your convenience. Be sure to save any changes that you make to your maintenance interval details, and please be aware that you must first save the updated maintenance interval before you can attach any additional files such as photos or documents. Once your maintenance tasks have been marked as either completed or ignored, and all desired information and attachments have been added to the interval and saved, be sure to mark the interval as complete. Selecting any piece of equipment that does not have a current maintenance plan applied from within either the Summary view or the All Machines view will open a new window, which will let you know that there are not any current maintenance plan details, such as upcoming or past services, to display. At this time, you will have the opportunity to use the yellow Add option to apply either a John Deere factory recommended maintenance plan or a custom maintenance plan to the selected equipment. John Deere factory recommended maintenance plans are developed by John Deere product line experts, and they are only available for John Deere equipment. Factory plan details come preloaded for you in Operations Center, so to apply a factory plan, all you need to do is provide a few details about your specific equipment and its intended usage. Once done, you will be presented with the factory recommended maintenance plan, complete with the recommended maintenance intervals, task lists, and fluid recommendations. Custom maintenance plans are also available, and these plans enable you to create your own maintenance intervals and task lists for any equipment that you rent or own, John Deere branded or non-John Deere branded, connectivity capable or not. Custom maintenance plans that you create can be saved as templates so that you can quickly and easily reuse them by applying them to additional machines. There are many informational articles available to help you as you begin to use maintenance. To locate these resources, navigate to the Assistance question mark in your header menu and select Help Documentation. If you need additional assistance or if you have questions, be sure to reach out to either your local John Deere dealer or to John Deere customer support via the Contact Support button in your header menu. In this video, you have learned what types of maintenance plans exist, how to access maintenance, and how to complete existing maintenance intervals and tasks. In this video, we will cover how to access maintenance, how to apply a maintenance plan, and how to set up maintenance notifications. Maintenance can be accessed a variety of different ways from within Operations Center and Property Center. Once logged into either, you can access maintenance from your personalized menu in the header bar, from the Plan drop-down menu in the header bar, from your equipment list on the map, or from the Machine Details panel within the equipment application. To apply a maintenance plan, select a machine from the All Machines tab, then select the Add drop-down menu and determine whether you want to add a factory plan or a custom plan to that specific machine. If you select Factory Plan, you will be asked to choose the Factory Maintenance Plan option that most closely matches your machine's specific configuration. Please be aware that some machines may have multiple factory maintenance plan options available and some may not. Once you select the best factory maintenance plan option for your specific equipment and click Next, you will be asked to provide a few details about your machine, about its intended usage, and about your desired maintenance plan length. Please note that when entering plan start hours, you will need to enter a value of greater than 0 engine hours. After you enter your equipment and plan details and click Next, the system will automatically generate a factory maintenance plan for your specific machine based on the information that you provided. Once generated, you will be shown the plan overview, the recommended maintenance intervals, the recommended fluids, and more. Use the drop-down arrows within each interval to see a list of all the factory recommended maintenance tasks. Please be aware that all factory maintenance plans are customizable. Simply use the Add Interval option to add a custom interval to your factory plan, or use the Add, Edit, or Delete icons to modify any factory recommended intervals or tasks as needed. If you would like to delete your plan and start over, you can select the Trash Can Delete icon. But if you've created your ideal factory plan, you can select the Enroll Plan option. Now let's take a quick look at applying a custom maintenance plan. A special tip for those who are leasing machines is that custom maintenance plans can be used as a way to monitor equipment usage, so you don't run over your contracted hours. To get started, select a machine from within either the Summary or the All Machines tab. Next, select the Add option and choose Custom Plan. At this time, you will be asked to provide a few details about your machine, about its intended usage, and about your desired maintenance plan length. Please note that when entering Plan Start Hours, you will need to enter a value of greater than 0 engine hours. After you enter your equipment and plan details and click Next, you will be brought to a page where you can add your own customized maintenance intervals and tasks. As an example, we will add a transmission fluid interval used to track and change the transmission fluid every 500 engine hours. Here also is where, if you are leasing, you could add an interval to remind yourself that you are nearing the end of the designated hours of your lease. Once you've finished adding all of your custom maintenance intervals and tasks, you can save your custom plan as a template so that it can easily be applied to other equipment within your organization. Once you're done, you can select Enroll Plan. After you have applied any type of maintenance plan, you will be able to view, track, and update both the scheduled and past service history for your equipment by navigating to the Upcoming Service or Past Service tabs and selecting any maintenance interval line item. In the event that your equipment requires any unplanned repairs, you will have the option to track and record the repair activity within maintenance in order to retain a more comprehensive service history of your equipment. To add a repair, select the Add drop-down menu and choose the Repair option. Here you can enter repair details, task details, custom notes, and parts and labor costs. Be sure to select Add Repair once you've entered all key repair details. Now that you know how to add and review maintenance plans and how to add repairs, let's take a quick peek at how you can view maintenance notifications, such as Upcoming Service Due or Service Past Due, which are automatically generated for you by your maintenance plans. Navigate to Notification Center by selecting the bell icon found in your header menu. Within Notification Center, you will be able to view any maintenance plan notifications that have been generated by selecting Machine Maintenance from within the Notification Categories menu. If you or other staff members of your organization would like to receive your maintenance plan notifications via email, you will first need to set up a saved search within Notification Center. To do this, navigate to the Filter panel. Under Categories, select Machine Maintenance, and under Severities, select Info. Next, select Save Search and choose Save as New Search. After clicking Save as New Search, you will be asked to name your saved search and to assign visibility of the search or receipt of email notifications from the search to other existing staff members of your organization. Clicking Save and Assign will bring up your organization's current staff list. Slide the email toggle to the right until it turns green next to every staff member that you would like to have receive the maintenance notifications via email. Be sure to select Save once you've made your selections. In this video, you have learned how to access maintenance, how to apply new maintenance plans, and how to set up maintenance plan notification emails. Thank you for watching.